Hey everybody, it's Dave Sievers, the part-time affiliate, coming at you with tips and techniques so you can have fun making money online and still have plenty of time to do the things that you love to do. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 3 affiliate marketing benefits. So counting down from 3, the third affiliate marketing benefit is that affiliate marketing allows you to leverage the resources of the economy to participate in the exchange of value and the distribution of wealth. Now, this is truly something to love because a part-time affiliate is someone who earns the trust of others by being a source of value to them. And because of the trust, they're able to recommend products and services that pay them a commission. And they do this as an affiliate, positioning themselves in such a way where they can leverage the entire resources of the economy. I mean, they become part of the distribution channel of products and goods and services to individuals in exchange for their wealth. Just that benefit alone is enough to want to become a part-time affiliate. So the second affiliate marketing benefit is that affiliate marketing enables anyone to create automated streams of income and achieve financial freedom. Imagine that. Well, you have automated streams of income that support your standard of living and your lifestyle. And you have the freedom to use the majority of your time doing the thing that brings you the most joy, that brings you the most happiness. So what I'm saying is that affiliate marketing is a pathway to greater happiness. And the number one affiliate marketing benefit is that affiliate marketing increases the value in the world. As more and more people get involved in building trust through the exchange of value and achieving financial freedom, you're going to have more and more people spending the majority of their time doing the thing that brings them the most joy. And that makes for a happier world. That's what it's all about. So I encourage you to share this message with everybody that you know. Leave comments, like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, and stay plugged into this channel.